Question hook: ever wondered, what cryptos can I actually stake on Wealthsimple? I know, it's a question that's been burning in the minds of many crypto enthusiasts. So, let's dive in and get you the answers. Context setting: before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what staking is. Essentially, staking is like locking up your cryptocurrency in a wallet or exchange to support the network's operations. In return, you earn rewards, usually in the same cryptocurrency. Wealthsimple, a quick overview. Introduction: Wealthsimple is a popular Canadian financial services company that's made a significant push into the crypto space. They offer a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and even staking various cryptocurrencies. Cryptos you can stake on Wealthsimple. Ethereum, ETH, is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Ethereum is a staple on Wealthsimple's staking platform. Staking ETH helps secure the Ethereum network and rewards you with additional ETH. Explain the benefits, discuss the potential rewards, contribution to network security, and how staking ETH aligns with the overall Ethereum ecosystem. Solana, SOL, known for its high transaction speeds and low fees, Solana is another popular choice for staking on Wealthsimple. Staking SOL supports the Solana network and can yield substantial rewards. Highlight the advantages, discuss the potential for higher returns compared to some other cryptocurrencies, the Solana ecosystem's growth, and the benefits of contributing to its security. Algorand, ALGO. Algorand is a decentralized, pure proof-of-stake blockchain platform. Staking ALGO helps secure the network and contributes to its scalability. Explain the unique features, discuss Algorand's consensus mechanism, its commitment to energy efficiency, and the potential for long-term growth. Other cryptos: while the aforementioned cryptocurrencies are among the most popular options on Wealthsimple, it's worth noting that they may add other coins to their staking platform in the future. Keep an eye on Wealthsimple's announcements for updates. Factors to consider before staking. Risk: staking, like any investment, involves risk. While the rewards can be attractive, there's always a possibility of losing your staked funds, especially if the value of the cryptocurrency declines. Lockup periods: some staking platforms require you to lock up your funds for a certain period. This means you won't be able to sell or trade your staked cryptocurrency during that time. Minimum stake amounts: there might be minimum stake amounts required for certain cryptocurrencies. Be sure to check Wealthsimple's terms and conditions for specific requirements. How to stake on Wealthsimple. Step-by-step guide: provide a clear and concise guide on how to stake cryptocurrencies on Wealthsimple. Include screenshots or visuals to make the process easier to understand. Conclusion: recap key points, summarize the main cryptos available for staking on Wealthsimple, the factors to consider before staking, and the general process. Call to action: encourage viewers to explore Wealthsimple's platform further and consider staking as a potential investment strategy. Ending: with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, always do your own research before making any investment decisions.